This is a unique little oxygen analyzer that I've just completed. What makes it unique is the display is made with 1950s era Nixie tubes, and so you can see it's not your normal display. So right now the unit powers up and it calibrates to whatever the ambient is on the O2 sensor. Right now I'm using an O2 sensor out of a rebreather, and but the unit will accept just about any O2 sensor as long as the output range doesn't exceed somewhere around 60 millivolts, which is pretty average for most sensors. So open it. See the electronics basically driving the display and the tubes. So the three ICs there are some old chips that I had in my stash that worked well, and below that is the high voltage power supply and the sensor sampling circuit. And underneath is the small Atmel microprocessor that's driving the whole thing. And then on the top of the unit is an external, a place for an external power supply, a power switch, and then a calibrate button. So you can recalibrate this at any time just by pressing the button. It flashes to let you know, blinks 3 times, and then it recalibrates. So that's how that works. It's all packed tightly into a Pelican case I had laying around that just happened to be the right size for 3 Nixie tubes. And here I've got a tank of oxygen, and if I crack this tank, and then place the sensor in front of it, you can see the analyzer building up. This sensor is current locked at a point where it reaches around 90%, so that's as far as we can get. But with a new cell, it would work perfectly, and I've tested it on my 32% tanks as well, and it reads those with the same accuracy as my commercial analyzers. Anyway, so something to do with old parts that are laying around rather than just disposing of them.